Okay, today you and I are going to build a real website together, completely from scratch with no code at all, and it is 100% free. By the end, you'll have a real link you can send to anyone, your friends, your customers, your followers, anyone. And I am not going to rush. We'll do every single step together, nice and slow. So open up a new tab right now and go to claude.ai. That's CLAUDE.ai. Got it open? Good. Let's build your website. If you've never used Claude before, don't worry at all. It's a free AI assistant, a lot like ChatGPT, but the special thing for us today is that it can actually build a website and show it to you on the screen as it makes it. So go ahead and sign up. It's free. You just need an email. Once you're in, start a brand new chat. And here is the only rule for today. You can pause this video anytime you want. If I ever go too fast, just hit pause, do the step at your own pace, and come right back. There's no rush at all. Okay, ready? Step 1, we are going to describe the website we want in plain English. Don't overthink this part at all. Click into the message box at the bottom and type something like this. Build me a clean, modern, one-page website for my coffee shop. Give it a header with the name and about section, a list of what we sell, and a contact button at the bottom. Now here's the important part. Swap my coffee shop for whatever you want. Your business, your portfolio, your side project, a page for an event, literally anything. Pause the video, type in your own version, and hit enter. Now just watch what happens. In a few seconds, a panel is going to slide open on the right side of your screen, and your website is going to start building itself live right in front of you. You'll see the header appear, then the sections, then the buttons, all of it written for you automatically. And look, you did not touch a single line of code. You already have a real web page, and it took one sentence. Pretty wild, right? Let's take a quick look at what it made. Scroll up and down inside that panel and just see the whole thing. You've got your shop name up top, a nice headline, a little about section, the list of what you sell, and that contact button at the bottom, exactly like we asked for. It is already a complete page. Now it probably won't be perfect yet, and that is totally fine because the next part is where we make it actually yours. Step 2, let's make it your own. And this is the fun part. We are going to change things just by asking one at a time. Let's start with the colors. Click back into the message box and type, change the colors to navy blue and gold, or pick whatever colors match your style. Send it and watch the whole site update its colors in a few seconds. Pause and try that now with your own colors. Nice. Now let's fix the words. Type change the headline at the top too, and then write your own headline, something that actually sounds like you and your business. And you can do this for any text on the page. Just tell it change the about section to say this and paste in your own words. The site updates every single time. Pause here and put your own words in. Now let's add a photo to make it pop. Type add a nice warm background photo to the top section. Send that and it'll drop an image in behind your header. If you don't love the photo, just say try a different one and it'll swap it out. That's the whole trick today, honestly. You are just talking to it like a person and it does the work for you. And here's the thing I really want you to remember. If anything looks off, you do not need to know how to fix it. You just describe it. Type things like make the text bigger, or move the contact button to the top, or add a bit more space between the sections. It just does it. So pause the video right here and keep asking for little changes until that page looks exactly the way you want it to. Step 3, let's make it a bit bigger. Most real websites have more than one page, so let's add one. Type add a second page for my menu with prices. And just like that, it builds a whole new page and links it up for you. You can add an about page, a photo gallery, a booking page, whatever your project needs, all the same way. Pause and add one page that you'd actually use. One more important one. Most people are going to open your site on their phone, so let's make sure it looks great there too. Type make sure the website looks good on phones. It'll adjust everything. So the text, the buttons, and the images all fit a small screen nicely. That is the kind of thing that used to cost money or take hours, and you just did it in one sentence. Okay, step 4. Let's save your site and get a link you can share. Look at the top right corner and click the share button. A little box pops up, so just choose create public link and click copy link. Anyone you send that link to can open it and see the project you made. And if you want the files themselves, there's a download button right there that saves your whole website straight to your computer. Pause and grab them now. Now just take a moment and look at what you made. Scroll back through your finished website, the header, your hero, your menu, your contact section, all of it built and styled just from talking to it in plain English. You made a complete real website from scratch for free without writing a single line of code. That is genuinely impressive, and you did the whole thing yourself. That is genuinely amazing, and you did it all by yourself. So let's quickly recap everything you just learned. Step 1, describe the website you want. Step 2, make it yours by just asking for changes. Step 3, add more pages and make it work on phones. And step 4, hit share and grab your public link. That's a real live website done for free. I've put every prompt I used down in the description so you can copy them. If you built something today, I would genuinely love to see it. So drop your link in the comments. And if this helped you out, please hit subscribe, because in the very next video, I'll show you how to put your own custom name on it, like yourbusiness.com. I'll see you in that one.